Okay, in the last video, we talked about projects and sync, how to save your projects to the cloud, how to sync them from your local uh, to the cloud or cloud to local. So I'll just give you the recap. Go come to the projects. Let's say any project which is on cloud. If you want to pull it from the cloud to your local, you can click on pull from cloud button, and the project will be downloaded again in your local browser, and you can open the project like this. If you get the black text here in the left hand side, you can refresh it again. Okay, it's the text should be white. Okay, and it should be, if you're using a dark theme, if you're using a light theme, it should be black. It should not be lighter. And make sure your process has been started already here in the terminal, and it's visible, the files are visible here. Okay, all right, now let's move to the next step, which is going to be the App Store. So App Store is a new feature we have released in the version 1.2.2, and in the new version we are going to make it more stronger. Okay, which is going to be released this week, uh, the mid of July. And now we are going to talk about this feature. So in the App Store, you have all the apps in different categories like entertainment, like finance, AI and ML, business, templates, health and fitness, utilities, productivity, e-commerce, social, food and lifestyle, development, games. So all these projects you can actually use for building your own project as a boilerplate. So let's say Netflix clone, okay, or let's talk about some other project. Let's say uh, ChatGPT clone. Okay, you click on details button, you can see the project in detail here, and you can click on this install in xBesh button. Once you click on this button, it will clone your project here, okay, from the Git, and it will install the project to your local browser. Then you can start building it. Right now it's cloning the project with the GitHub authentication. Once your project is like imported, you can actually start building it. So App Store, the purpose of App Store is to just have multiple templates to build your projects, uh, like not from scratch but using the boilerplates. Boilerplate means a ready skeleton to build your project over it like a wrapper. Okay, so you can use any template, like ready templates like starter templates for Vite and TypeScript, Angular starter template, Vue.js starter template, React plus Vite TypeScript. You can choose any template to start your project to build with. Okay, so this is the App Store, and in the next video, we will talk about the creators and the resellers and team management, how to manage your tokens and neurons, what are the differences, okay, and the Workbench, etc. So xBash App Store is going to be more advanced in this week. We have a very solid plan for this. So I will re-record this video once we have the updated version of xBash 1.2.3. All right. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.